Stop! Because I've discovered a loophole, a new way to game Google for unlimited traffic. How? By outsourcing all the work to ChatGPT. I'm talking about an AI-only method, a brand new, done-for-you tactic that involves no writing, no keyword research, no backlinks. In fact, no work whatsoever, because the AI does it all. In fact, all you need to do is click once to find a keyword, click again to write the article. All you need to do is decide where to send the daily buyer traffic. Imagine if there was a solution that could do everything for you. Finding the best keywords to rank for was completely done for you. Researching the current Google SERP listings was done for you. Generating article ideas was completely done for you. Writing content, done for you. Getting your website ranked on Google, done for you. Well, it's here. In fact, everything to get top Google rankings, drive free traffic, and earn passive income is done for you and wrapped into a single AI app. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button to get started. Okay, thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.